This is a brand new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a leather interior and many other features. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Landers Chevrolet has been voted the #1 place in Arkansas to buy or service your vehicle year after year. We are located at 19236 Interstate 30 in Benton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.